Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So today I am bringing in the picker rune basically, and these are not the Nordic runes which usually people predict with. These are my witches runes which I have taken because I'm coming up with my class again after nearly a year this time. So I thought why not use the Nordic runes for prediction also. So this is rune 1 and this is rune 2. So this is witches rune 1 and witches rune 2. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to think about which is the rune that you are guided to, and then we shall start the reading. So I hope you all have decided. Now let me just tell you, the witches runes is not like our normal Nordic runes. There are only 13 symbols in witches runes. You might be thinking 13 is not a lucky number, but for Wiccans, people who are into Wicca, for them 13 is actually a very lucky number, and actually these runes predict beautifully. So let's see what's the first rune. Oh, that's a beautiful rune. So as I was saying, when this rune, this is basically the man rune. Sorry, I forgot. So this is a man rune, and when this comes, it means it is going to be a day of happiness, a day of victory, and also this also says wherever you need to take a stand, you need to take a stand for it, and not fight back, or not fight back, not just turn back and go away. And a beautiful rune. Whenever this rune comes, for example, if you have something in mind and you worry whether it will happen or not, then yes, it will happen, because this is overall a rune of progress, confidence, strength, and you will actually be successful in whatever you are doing. So go forward. Today is the day for you. Don't worry about how and where, but today is actually the day for you. Now coming to let's pick one card also with this. That's a beautiful card. See here, Six of Swords. I can see this person is flying high, really soaring to the height. So maybe the card is actually talking the right prediction. The witches runes is also predicting in the right way. It's more about growth, progress. Today, if you have a white candle, you can carve this symbol on that candle and also burn, so that it will be progressive for you. This symbol, you can try that, and just look at the symbol and focus on it on your third eye, and just visualize it from your third eye, and you will feel immense energies, and you will feel that you are happy throughout the day and you are successful throughout the day. Do let me know, because if you all really resonate with the witches runes, I should keep bringing back witches runes predictions also on and off. And one more thing I would like to say, today you need to focus on the color orange. Wear something in orange, and in the morning, if possible, do a Surya Mudra. Now this is how a Surya Mudra is done. So do a Surya Mudra, and do this for 10 minutes, and you will feel good things happening around you. And also, if you can feed a stray animal today, it will be as a blessing for you. Now let's see which is the next witches rune. Now this is for card 2. What has come? This is another beautiful symbol. It's called as the harvest symbol. Harvest symbol, when a harvest symbol comes, basically in a reading for someone, it is basically that everything will go good, abundance is coming, time, more like, how do I say, if someone has invested in something, you will get profits in that, and you will feel happy. You will feel as if, if there's someone who's expecting some growth in their office, that will happen. If you're expecting an income to come today, that will happen. Overall, a day of harvesting, or being successful, or reaping the benefits of whatever you have sowed in life. Okay, so it's a beautiful day even for you today. Maybe what you can do is Surya Mudra. I would suggest both of you do, but for people for whom this has come, you can take a yellow candle or you can take a green candle and draw this in it. I will show you this image. Just draw this image on that candle and burn it, and I'm sure you will feel a lot of success and a lot of positivity around you. Now along with that, sorry, my blackie interrupted me. So along with that, this is the card which has come. Don't get upset. It is 10 of Swords. I feel it's a day of enlightenment. I feel you will come out of it, you will throw everything out, and you will start a new life, a new day. For you, the color is green today, so have a blessed day ahead. I would suggest both of you just follow the mudras and just start your day with the candle, and I'm sure you're going to see beautiful energies around you. And do let me know how you felt, so that I can keep bringing back more on the witches runes on and off. Have a beautiful and blessed day. to both the um, both the members who took card 1 and who took card 2 also. Thank you.